Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Friends, happy Dhanteras. Today we begin festival of 5 days from Dhanteras to Bhai Dooj. Now, Dhanteras is in Hindu Panchang. Panchang is a calendar. And as per Hindu Samvat, we are in 2078. And today is a 13th Triyodasha of Kartik month, Krishna Paksh. Now I am linking today's Dhanteras, where by Vedant, it is Lord Dhanvantari, who is known as a god of health and who has given Ayurveda. Now, I would link this getting dhan, getting rich with a very famous book written in 1937 by Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. There are 15 chapters and 13 steps to become very rich, extraordinary rich, and to achieve anything in the life. And there is a preliminary like sandwich. We have a lower layer, the foundation, and the upper layer. So first I will discuss the lower layer, which is thought. Nothing will happen in this world without thought. Everything, there is a famous saying, everything happens first in the mind and then in the reality. Whatever will not happen in mind will never happen in the life of that individual. So it is a foundation, the lower layer. Then we come to 13 steps related to Teras to get extraordinary richness or to achieve anything in the life. And this is the tested formula for 500 richest person. And this research was done for 25 years. And this person, Napoleon Hill, was paid by Andrew Carnegie, who was the richest person in the world at that point of time. Now, which are these 13 steps? I have memorized them by acronym, Monomanic. And these are like we do daily faqing. Instead of eating food, we can say we faq, in Hindi, faqi. So, D is a burning desire. Second is 100% faith. Third alphabet is A, auto-suggestion. God has given us 6 mental abilities. We can have an acronym PM Viri. Prime Minister is Veer. So we have a perception, memory, will, imagination, reason, and intuition. So D, faqi, burning desire, 100% faith, auto-suggestion, then knowledge specialized. If we gain a knowledge which is number 1 in the world, then the whole world will come to that individual irrespective of the location. That person may be in the smallest town of the world. Fifth is imagination. Then we have D, faqi, PDP, MEM, BS. So PDP is planning development department. So organized planning. Then decision. which, kills the procrastination. Then persistence. We always say that it is one step more to get a win. So once, like Thomas Alva Edison, before he invented all the things which we are enjoying today, electricity, communication, he failed 1,000 times. So he did not tell himself that he failed. He said, I came to know that this particular formula do not work. So 1,000 times, once his factory, there was a fire. Normally a person will get worried, depressed, but he was very happy. He said, because of fire, everything is burnt, so I will start everything new from today. So D. Faki, PDP persistence is very, very essential to get extraordinary richness. Then ninth steps is most important, mastermind. 1 + 1 is 11. Then enthusiasm, we have to have a self-enthusiasm. We have to get motivated ourselves. And 11th is a subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is extraordinarily large compared to a conscious mind. We have a brain, which is a hardware, and mind, which is software. And then 12th is a brain, the hardware. We have a super, each one's, universe has given us super brain and super mind. Like, we have a smartphone, like iPhone has brought 13 Max Pro. It may have wonderful apps. So phone is a hardware. The apps are the software. So unless we know how to use the app, how to open the app is of no use. It will be equivalent to a phone which is of 1,000 rupees. And then we have a sixth sense, the power of intuition, the God-given power to visualize and to achieve success. So these are 13 steps related to Dhanteras. And then the top layer is very, very important. The top layer, 15th chapter, says how to overcome fear. So author has given 6 fears. I have made an acronym, IPL doc, Indian Premier League document. So fear of illness, fear of poverty, fear of loss of love, fear of death, fear of old age, and fear of criticism. We don't do many things because what society will tell, what family, the easiest way to achieve goal is to declare it publicly, to make everyone know that what one wishes. My goal is to be the president of India, and I will achieve it by following these 13 steps. Now in the 15th chapter, author explains, the father or grandfather of fear, and that is susceptibility to negativity. Somebody saying that, you can't do it. That person, if that person is a friend, 2-3 times we will explain to this person that this is my goal and this way I will achieve it. Now, if after explaining, if that person do not understand and still keep on demotivating us, we should block, like in the smartphone, we have a blocking the phone, blocking the WhatsApp, and that person going out of our friend list. But if the person is one of the family members, the spouse, the children, parents, then we have to continuously make the effort to enroll them. There are techniques of enrolling a person. There are techniques of 7 Habits of Highly Effective Persons by Stephen Covey. And friends, I can assure you we should follow these 13 steps on Dhanteras. And believe me, you will achieve whatever you wish to achieve. Have happy Dhanteras. Like, subscribe my YouTube channel, and do let me know on what topic you like videos. So I'll make them, because most of the videos are made on the basis of the request received from the sisters and brothers from chartered accountancy profession. Thank you.